Back again with another video here to talk about the success formula for new tax professionals. My name is Thomas. I've been in the tax preparation and taxation industry for 24 years, and so I'm here to help accountant students who want to start a career and business model in this awesome career industry where you don't have to wait till you get your degree. You don't have to wait till you get your full-part CPA exam done. If you get started now while you're in school, you're ahead of the game. You got more knowledge, you got more skills, you got more experience, and you made you some money, and you have a great direction on where you want to go with this since you got started before you graduated. And so that's the key to getting started now while you're going to school to get your degree in accounting and become a CPA, is that you're ahead of the curve. You're way ahead of the curve on people that's decided to wait till they graduate. If you start now while you're in school, by the time you graduate with them, if y'all in the same class range, then you're ahead of the curve on them because you've already got some experience, you already got clientele, you already made money, you already got a clear direction on what this industry looks like and maybe what path you want to go down in the pursuit of that. And so that's the advantage you have by starting now while you're in school, especially if you know you want to do this as a career and as a business model. I also help individuals who always want to have their own tax preparation service get started as well through my mentorship program. So I'm here to be a valuable resource and a trusted uh, service professional to people who are looking to get started in business in general, but I just happen to specialize in helping individuals and accounting students start in the tax and accounting industry get started from A to Z. And so the success formula is simple. It's all about the three simple aspects that we focus on, along with all the other things that you're going to learn about. These three things we focus on first to keep it simple. That's going to help you generate quick success because they laser targeting. So the first thing we focus on is knowledge and skills. The knowledge and skills you have is why people come to you. People come to you because they assume you got the knowledge and skills needed to get the job done when it comes to tax preparation, individual 1040 tax returns. And if you decide you want to learn how to do business returns and market that, those two different income streams that you can make money from, that's going to position you way better than a lot of people who don't know how to do business returns. So that's the first aspect that we focus on with the new person in this industry. The second focus is simple as well, is professional tax software, because that's what we use to do the work with. Professional software is how we mass produce uh, hundreds of clients every year inside of our tax businesses, um, because no one manually do taxes by hand anymore. No one manually fills out forms anymore. Software rules the world across the board, no matter what it is you're trying to do. Software is there to help do the heavy lifting for you. The third aspect is marketing and sales, because marketing, you want to equal the sales, which means you have to be able to go out and let the world know that, hey, my name is Dan. I have a tax preparation service. Uh, get your business cards ready. Let family, friends, neighbors in the world know proudly with your head up that this is what you're doing, and leverage yourself if you work with somebody like myself when it comes to that, to let them know that, hey, I'm new, but I'm not doing this by myself. I have a mentor and a coach and a guide that's helping me do this, and leverage my experience and let them know that, hey, even though I'm new, I'm not by myself on this journey. And that's going to be a deciding factor for people who might like you and who might want to do business with you, but they literally cost you are new, and let them know that you got someone on your team that has 24 years of experience working with you to help make this happen will be the deciding factor that may allow them to say, okay, I'm going to give you a try. So do that. Try that. Leverage me. So when it comes to all the different aspects of having a business, you're going to learn about that on your journey if you work with me. But we focus on these main three aspects first because we want to get you set up. We want to get you learning. We want to get you making some type of income because that's where your experience gonna come from. That's how you're gonna get good, by doing the work in the real world with real world people. The training that you're gonna go through is to prepare you for the real world, but at the same time, let you know that what you've learned on paper, the real world could be slightly different because you're dealing with people, attitudes, and personalities. That's the thing that training don't cover. So if you look into start your own tax preparation journey and you're an accounting student, but you understand by watching this video, It makes sense. Why wait if there's something I got my mind made up I want to do? Boom. At least this way, if you start now, you know if this is a good fit for you. You know if this is the right move to make if you start now versus waiting. The individuals who always want to start their own tax preparation service, who've been procrastinating, who haven't started yet. Years later, I talk to people who talk about starting tax preparation service 7, 8, 9, 10 years ago, who still haven't started. Don't let it whatever's holding you back. You got to get past that. You got to get past that. And the way you get past that is just to make it happen for yourself, either by doing it by yourself or connecting with a mentor and a coach that's going to help guide you through the process, that's going to save you time, money, and frustration. That's what I bring to the table. I give you a guided aspect of real world experience and training of my 24 years, and I'm still learning that you get to tap into that's going to help fast track your success because it's designed to do that. So if you want to learn more, you can reach out to me and email me at info@workwthomas.com. Send me your name, number, and telephone number. And you can reach me at 312-607-1978. And if you decide to not use the email, text me first your name and number so I won't miss your call. Because I don't answer phone calls that's not attached to a name already inside my phone contacts. Because I get too many spam calls every day to answer every call. So if a name is not attached to it, I won't answer. And for you people that's reaching out to me on my YouTube channel with the comment, you need help in these things, I'm reaching back out to you, answering the question to the best of my ability. I'm giving you my contact information. I need you to follow the instructions. I need you to follow the directions, because if you're not coachable, you're not teachable, then it's going to be hard to help you get the success you say you want to have with the business you say you want to get started with. So I'm here to help you have an awesome 2025 when it comes to the tax and accounting industry, tax preparation. This is my career, 24 years and loving it. I'm passionate about it. I have a love for it. I can do this and talk about this all day. That's the type of passion you want to have around this thing. You can't just get into this just for the money aspect of it, because that won't work. The quality of what you're doing won't show up right, because our brains are not wired to just do something strictly for the money and do it well and do it right, and do the best practices that's needed to be involved in that business model. It's going to be some flaws in it if you strictly focus on the money aspect. So for the success formula, I'm doing a live video on my LinkedIn channel on January 21st. I got it set for 8:30 a.m. Central. So if you want to check me out on LinkedIn, I'm going to have my link inside the bio of my YouTube channel where you can click on it and go to my LinkedIn page and check me out. And thank you for watching this video. Share this video with somebody you know that's already looking for mentorship, guidance, and coaching. You might not be ready. You might not be interested, but you might have somebody in your network who might be interested because they talked about it already and they constantly talking about it. Refer this video. Refer me to help them. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.